As the weather gets warm in Western Carolina, and the greening of the mountains begins, now the creek runs full from the high elevations, as the snow gives way to the sun. I see the mountains blush red from the budding trees, accompanied by the perfume of spring. There's a beautiful sound coming up from the marshes that fills the air with a ring. It's the singing frogs gathered in the bog. They sit in the grass, they sit on a log. The rocks will cry out all day long, and the little frogs offer up their song. The flowers smile at me in Western Carolina. They dazzle me with their flame. Groundhogs, muskrats, otters, and beavers aplenty. If I did not know, I'd think they were tame. And don't forget all the lively insects flying all over the place. Even in my face they buzz and chirp right along with the swamp song of the singing frogs gathered in the bog. They sit in the grass, they sit on a log. The rocks will cry out all day long, and the little frogs offer up their song. Me and the frogs gathered in the bog. We sit in the grass, we sit on a log. The rocks will cry out all day long, and we offer up our song. Ba-da-dee-da-bum, dee-da-ba-ba, ba-dee-ba-da-ba-da-ba, ba-dee-ba-da-bum, ba-dee-ba-da-ba-dum, ba-da-bee-ba-ba, ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-da-ba-da. As the weather gets warm in Western Carolina,